Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with a LEGO Jurassic World review. Today we'll be taking another look at this comic book and the little set that it comes with. The last video I released on this was a bit rushed as I was running out of battery life, so now we'll take a closer and slower look at this set. So we'll start with the LEGO set itself. You can see on the front it comes with this poly bag, and basically everything you see in here comes in there. You've got a little raptor, probably Charlie or Delta, maybe Delta, looking at the bluish green, and you get a little egg, Dr. Wu. He comes with two expressions, so that's pretty fun, a determined look and a scared look. And you get this amber piece, which is really neat, and a little lab, like a computer and a little syringe. So that's wicked. Very cool to upgrade any sets you have revolving around labs. So we got Dr. Wu with his very arrogant expression. He's holding a dinosaur egg. This little table here comes with a computer, an amber piece, and the syringe with a holder for it. Excuse me. Anyways, so you can have him hold the syringe like this. Oh, or not. He just drops it. I'm outside, so it just kind of fell out of existence. Let's put him down real quick and see if we can find it. That's not good. We will look for that after. So anyways, here's the little dinosaur. It comes with a little raptor. I'm assuming this is the same one from the boat set, where it comes with a little raft, the Rex, and that Rex mech suit. Really cool to see it returning in another set. There we go. Very detailed, very adorable, and I absolutely love it. Love these figures, and I can't wait to display them with the rest of my LEGO sets. So now let's take a look into the book. Zoom out a bit if we can. So on the front, we see there is a Dilophosaurus, and this one is from a older set, the 2015 set, and you can see there's a little bit of the figure set we just got. Baryonyx, we got the baby raptors from the cartoon, and let's see the back. We've got the newer trike with some of the older trikes in the back. These ones aren't even from the Jurassic lineup. These ones came out in, I think, 2010 or 2011 in the dinosaur lineup. And then a newer Rex color. And if we take a look inside, there's also some interesting renders of the brachiosaurus. So there's a darker brachiosaurus and a lighter one that we see. There's some cool things. There's some activities like finding and matching puzzles. And there's a little comic inside revolving around the set that we just got, which is really cute. Got a little maze. Some more comics. You can see here there's the brachiosauruses. Hopefully we get them in LEGO. Probably not, but it would be cool to see, seeing as they use these dinosaur appearances a lot, like in the video games and stuff. And here's the Triceratops from the older sets again. Maybe it might get re-released, maybe not. I'm not sure why they would use it and not the newer Triceratops colors. You can also see on here that there's the Allosaurus from the cartoon, which we also don't have in LEGO, but would be absolutely amazing if we did get it. And they're still using that old Dilophosaurus render instead of the newer one. And then there's some posters that you can remove and use. It's already falling out. Instructions to the set. More mazes, more activities. Continuation of the comic book. It's interesting that LEGO has way more human characters than Mattel makes. It'd be interesting if Mattel could actually do that, but I guess for marketing reasons, not a lot of people buy human figures anymore. And it seems like the next issue has the Allosaurus on the front, and it comes with this cool little plain set with blue. So I wonder if eventually each set will come with a baby raptor, and then you can complete your collection. That'd be really neat. And there's some dinosaurs in the back too. So there we have it, and some cutout information sheets on the back. What a lovely little book. From what I know, these aren't in the States. They are mostly in UK and Europe, and I think now they're out here. I mean, this was at somewhere, some store, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this little review. I hope to find more of these sets in the future. They're quite fun, but I don't think there's any exclusive pieces in any of them. But yet again, they would be great if they were released everywhere. I don't think it would be hard, since it's, you know, just a little magazine with some Legos. But anyways, or Lego. But yeah, no, I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.